Poem Gratefulness, poet Joseph T. Rinaldi. I am grateful for the eyes that I can see, the activities that can be done by me. I am grateful for the ears that I may hear, the sobbing of those who need me near. I am grateful for the lips that might speak words of comfort and peace to all who seek. I am grateful for a mind that I might know how to aid those who need me so. I am grateful for the hands that I might do some arduous or simple task for you. I am grateful for the ability to always pray to give me the strength and guidance every day. I am grateful for one thing, all else above, that I was given a heart that I may love. The poet of this poem, Joseph T. Rinaldi, originally from Windber, Pennsylvania, has spent 40 years in the field of education. Since his retirement, he spent much of his time in the visual arts, especially writing, painting, drawing, and woodcraft. His popular poems are A Binding Relationship, A Birthday Greeting, and A Bountiful Harvest. His poem Graduation Day is the most read of all the poems he has written. Every human being is blessed with organs like eyes, ears, lips, hands, and legs. Human beings have also a heart to love, a mind that gives them the ability to help others. The poet is grateful to all these organs because they are helpful to lead his life. In the first stanza, he is grateful to eyes that can see or witness the activities done by him. He expresses his gratefulness to ears that are helpful for him to hear sobbing of those who are in need of his help. In the second stanza, the poet expresses gratefulness for the lips that are helpful to speak words of consolation or comfort to those who seek relief in trouble. The poet is thankful for a mind that is helpful for him to know those who are in need of his help. In the third stanza, the poet expresses his gratefulness for the hands that involve a lot of effort or energy to do simple tasks or work for the people. He is grateful for his ability, which he always prays to give him the strength and guidance every day. But above all, the poet is grateful for giving a heart so that he may love everyone in his life. The poet places love above all else because of all the organs. The heart is the most important one. It helps human being to love others. It wins over everyone.